Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to sign up for Hinge dating. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Hinge is a dating application which bills itself as an only dating app that emphasizes long-term connections between users. The application is available for your Android as well as your iOS operating system. You can simply go ahead and download the application from your Play Store or App Store. You can also tap open your web browser and type in hingedating.site.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Hinge Dating. I'm showing you how to sign up with the site version in today's video. Tap on the sign up button at the upper right corner in order to create a new account. Now, you'll need to go ahead and fill in your information. Select if you are a man or a woman, and on the next field, select the gender that you are seeking for. Type in the age range that you would like to view people from, and tap on Continue. On the next page, enter your age, your ethnicity, select your height, and you can enter your annual income as well. Under the Country tab, select your country and then type in the postal code or your zip code. Once you're done filling all the information, tap Continue. Now, under My Information, you'll need to enter your first name. Start by typing in the first name and then create a username for yourself on the next field. Now, enter your email on the next field. Type in a valid email address that you have an access to, and under the password text field, create a password for yourself. Double check your password by tapping on this eye icon at the right corner so that you can reveal the password before moving on. And now tap on this box right here. By tapping on the box, you have agreed to the terms and services of Hinge Dating. Now tap on Continue. Complete more information needed. Write a clever headline to attract more attention. Write something about yourself on the next field. You can include your personality, interest, and how would your friends describe you. Don't worry, you can change the information later as well. Once you're done, you can go ahead and mention about your match. Describe what you are looking for in a relationship, and the more you write, the better the responses. Type it in the text boxes. Once you're done typing all the information in, tap on Let's Get Started. Now you can upload a photo for yourself. Tap on Choose a Photo and select an image from your phone gallery, or simply take a picture by tapping on the camera button. Once you select the picture, tap on Done at the upper right, and finally, after choosing your picture, tap on Upload. On the next page, you'll need to secure your account by entering a phone number in the text box. Type in your phone number after selecting a country code and tap on Verify Now. Soon after you do that, you'll receive a text message with a verification code. Tap on Verify to receive it. Wait for the SMS to arrive on your phone. Soon after it does, you can simply type in the code that you received. After you're done, tap Next, and you'll be able to create an account for yourself on Hinge Dating. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.